In this video, I'm going to show you how you can verify your YouTube account. So if you want to verify your YouTube account, you need to follow these steps in this video and then you will be able to do that so that you can then use custom YouTube thumbnails. So you want to go to youtube.com, make sure you're signed into your account and then click on your channel icon at the top right corner. Now you'll then see this drop down menu. All you need to do here is click on settings, which is going to send you over to this page, and you can then click on channel status and features, which is under your YouTube channel. So click on channel status and features, and once you do that, you'll end up on this page where you can find all of these different features. You don't want to pay attention to that. You want to click right there on verify, which should be just under your channel name. Click on verify right there. Now next up, you can actually do this. So verifying your account by phone allows you to unlock additional features on YouTube and helps us to make sure that you're a real YouTuber and not a robot. So first of all, you want to select your country. So choose any of these countries. Next up, you can choose whether you want to do this with a automated voice message or receive a verification code. I always choose this one. Then next up, right there, you can enter your phone number, then click on submit, and you will then receive a code on your phone. If you then enter that phone in the box, you can then click on submit and you verify your YouTube account. Now I'm not going to do that live since I don't want to expose my phone number, but that's how you can do this. So go to this page, enter your phone number, and then you'll get a verification code. You enter that code and then you're good to go. So that's how you can verify your account. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section down below, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.